Getting good, Mas?
With me or the pepperoni?
You too. But the peppers look better, sorry mate. So here are our roasted peppers, which I'm going to peel and then drizzle olive oil, lemon, salt, a bit of mint even. So nice. Good morning. Today Massimo and I are busy in the garden, but before I get cracking on picking the lemons and oranges and the mulberries, because some people want some of those things and I want them myself, I'm taking carrots to my neighbour's horse and donkey. I love going there every morning and they enjoy eating the carrots, so I'm going to take you along with me. Come along. Gaspare! Not you, rooster. Gaspare! That's my neighbour's stable. Can you hear him kicking? Girls, are we ready to go? Watch this. Go! They love it. So it's just 2 steps down here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. They've just made a temporary thing. Here we go. Here's the donkey and the sheep. They keep each other company. Hello, Chanel. Hello, Chanel. How are you? How are you? Here you go, my girl. Nice. Hey. Hello, little sheep. Are you keeping Chanel company? You keep each other company. Very cute. Oh, he comes every day, twice a day to feed and look after these little animals, and they seem to be very happy. They go out for walks. Are you happy, Chanel? There you go. Oops. Nice. Let's go see Gaspare. Gaspare is a bit jealous. As soon as he hears me talking to... Hi, Gaspare. Hi, Gaspare. Gaspare! Hello! Hey! There you go. That's your carrot for the morning. Yum! Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Are you curious? Are you curious? What's this camera here? Hey, don't get jealous, Chanel. Here you go, Gaspare. You want some more carrot? Apparently my neighbour said he's going to cut this top part so I'm able to just open up and feed him whenever I want to, because he's really happy that I come over and give him apples and carrots. Here you go, Gaspare. Another little bite, buddy. Oh, you're such a good boy. Okay. It's my neighbour's garden. He's got beautiful olive trees. They make so many olives. He gave us a few to pick this year, and we made our own olive oil. Hey, that's our house from this side. Okay, let's go back home. Nini? There? Where's Nini? Nini disappeared. And who's this? Everyone has to follow me whenever I go in. Oh, here she is. Come on, Nini. Come on, Nini. Are you having fun next door? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Good girls. Okay, let's grab my shears and my gloves and let's go do some picking. So this is the path, the driveway. It's pretty long and steep. So this part is the top part that I always film from, which is our main garden, and we've got some grass and trees and everything. But then we're going down to the first part of the land, which isn't very big. We've got a few trees that it needs, the grass needs cutting. Let's see if Massie's down here. Somebody was down here. I wonder where he is. So as you can tell, the grass is very, very long. Need cutting, maybe some picking of fruit. I swear we need walkie-talkies to know where the hell everyone is. So he's not down at the bottom of the gate. So I'll do some picking maybe afterwards. Just want to see where he is. Oh yes, I think he said he wanted to paint the outdoor kitchen. Let's go and have a look what he's doing. Massie! There you are! I've been looking for you.
Okay.
I thought you might be sorting out the pizza oven here. Okay, outdoor kitchen.
Today is a whitewash day. I'm getting obviously all the dust and the spider webs over everything.
Yeah, needs it.
Winter's been long, so getting everything fresh for the summer. I'm cleaning out everything before I'm going to whitewash everything today.
Okay.
In the outdoor kitchen, that is. A lot of spider webs, a lot of dust, everything's collected up.
Normal winter things.
Yeah, we've just left it to
well, we do this every year, so
be for the winter.
Okay, so this is all going to be nice and white. Yay! Have a look at it now, guys. First things first, mulberries have come out. Wow. So many mulberries. And if we don't stop picking them now, they just fall on the ground. The birds love them. But somebody at work, Massie's work, wants some mulberries. Massie likes to make cheesecake with these mulberries. So, ta-da! Essential, because otherwise hands go completely black. Look at that. Whee! Okay, I think that's enough for my friend today. So actually she works with Massie. I don't really know her that well, but she asked me for some mulberries. And so this is for her. Meow, meow. Okay, now I'm going to pick some lemons because Massie needs some lemons at work. And then we'll go get some oranges from our neighbors. As I said, our neighbor only comes in the summer, so he always says to us, please pick as many oranges as you can because it's such a waste. And we do, trust me, because he's got the nice red ones, I sanguinelli, which are typical Sicilian ones, and they're fantastic. I have to get up here on top though. Okay. I'll grab that on the floor. Okay, so far I just got a few lemons, not even a full crate of lemons, some mulberries, and Massie will get some oranges later on. Just want to show you how well my zucchini plants are doing. They are growing so fast. And these are supposed to be the smallish ones. The pergola ones didn't grow very well. And I've grown some basil in between each one, but I've noticed that something's biting at it, probably some slugs. See the shadow of a cat out there? That's the reason why we closed it all up. Still in the early stages though. Neighbours' orange trees, they're all on the floor. Such a shame. They're yeah, they haven't come this year to pick them. I think the wife's not feeling too good, and so he's left the garden a little bit without any looking after, which is a shame, but we will pick some oranges. Bougainvillea is starting to grow, thank goodness, after Damiano, Massey's son, and I pruned it quite drastically, and I was a bit worried, but Bougainvillea is so resilient. So beautiful as well. And let's take a look at our almonds. Almonds are doing really, really well. Bananas are nearly ready, apparently. As soon as all the petals of this flower falls off, then we can pick the bananas, cover them, and wait for about a week and then eat them. We've got another bunch over there. Okay, Ma, what are you up to now?
I'm just patching up a few cracks that I've got on the oven, which happens every year.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Wow, was quite a big one here, huh?
Yeah, it's not a problem.
Is it normal?
It's pretty normal in an oven, this type of oven.
Yeah, because we don't have, like, it's not inside. You know how they do? They pop them in like a square covering. This is exposed, isn't it?
This is exposed to the weather and obviously the heat. So on a normal oven, you don't see all these cracks.
No.
Because it's covered.
But I like it like this. I think it gives it more character.
It is prettier, but there is more maintenance to do.
Mm-hmm.
So, which is not a problem because I enjoy doing it. So.
Thank goodness. So, why are you using such a small roller, Mas?
Okay, this is a sponge roller. The sponge roller gives it a little bit of a ripple effect.
Okay.
If you're going closer, you can probably see.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of a ripple effect, so I'm trying something different this year.
Okay.
See if that works. If it comes out nice, I'll keep it that way. Otherwise, I'm going to repaint it. Not a problem.
Beautiful color of the sky today. So dramatic. It's a bit weird because the sun comes out, it's rained a bit, black clouds, but sunny, very tropical, very beautiful. Well, what do you think, Bear? Oh, I'm very jealous of my bougainvillea, hey? And Mussy knows. That's why he's just putting it safely behind the wall so he can paint and then bring it back again. I just love that effect of the bougainvillea on the white dome pizza oven.
Which is full of thorns.
Still beautiful.
Beautifully thorny.
Look at the nespole. My neighbour's got 2 huge nespole trees. What are they called in English again, babe?
Loquats.
Loquats. It started raining, so we have to stop. We'll continue tomorrow. Every year I make this mulberry tart. Just can't resist doing it because we've got so many beautiful mulberries on the tree. Nice. Good morning, Masi.
Good morning.
What are you checking?
Looking for queen cells. I don't want these bees to swarm. There's the queen over there.
Oh, you found her straight away, huh?
Yeah.
So when you say you don't want the bees to swarm, you
Because
have
when
to
there's
keep
too many bees,
too many queens, you mean?
too many bees,
Okay.
they start making queen cells. See all these under here? These are all bees that need to be born. All these kept cells.
Yeah.
So there's bees that need to get born still.
So you're just checking.
So I'm
Are
just
you going
checking.
to be separating this hive?
I'm going to be making another family out of this hive.
So out of one hive you can make another family, yeah?
Yeah. That's how it works.
And you're going to go get a queen bee this morning?
Yeah.
So would you say that it would be easy to keep bees for people who've never had bees?
Well, you'd have to learn the basics and then from there just take it as it goes.
Yeah.
So look how many more bees are to be born on this one here. There's many capped cells. She's laying in a perfect manner.
Right.
Okay, here you see that? That's a start of a new queen cell.
Wow.
So if you break it up, the queen won't be born.
Okay, so how many hives do you reckon a person who's never worked with bees before and they want to have maybe...
One hive would be good enough to start off with.
You say one hive, yeah?
One hive is about the best amount to have, obviously, if you're a newbie.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. If anybody wants to know a little bit more about keeping bees, I'm sure Masi will be glad to give you some feedback.
Could answer questions if you've got questions, no problem.
Yeah. How long have you had bees for, Mas?
Well, I started out when I came to Italy. When I was young, I enjoyed bees. I was amongst beekeepers, like you go and see. I'd never used to be beekeeping, but I was very interested. But then when I came to Italy, my uncle had a few hives, and he taught me a lot. And then I got into it more and more when from England, really.
Yeah, it started off in England, didn't it? So what, like 15 years ago?
Yeah.
You could say. So it's never too late, guys.
Never too late.
Never too late.
Actually, the older you get, the more interesting it seems to be.
It's true. We're probably going to have some honey this year, which is quite nice.
We're going to have quite a bit of honey. Wow. Sorry, there's just a lot of bees going to be born very soon, so I need to really separate this hive.
Yeah, and apparently, this is what I've learned, is when you do make another hive from the existing hive, you have to separate it at least 3 kilometers. You have to move it 3 kilometers.
For about 3 days, yeah.
For about 3-4 days, and then you can move it back to next to the original hive, which is super interesting. So my son has offered to keep a hive in his garden. How far is he from here?
It's about 5-6 kilometers.
5-6 kilometers, so that will be absolutely fine. So I just wanted to ask Masi, because Masi's the beekeeper. I'm his little helper.
Beekeeper. It's my hobby.
So can you tell everyone what I thought was to just mention that you don't need like a huge amount of land to keep bees. Is that right, Masi?
No, you need a garden. Obviously respecting the distance from your neighbor, which is about 10 meters.
Yeah.
Bees are not dangerous. Obviously, if you go bother them, they're going to sting you. But you don't want to bother them.
Wasps are more annoying, aren't they? Because wasps really do come for you.
Yeah, wasps the same thing. If you annoy them, they're gonna sting you. But bees are very essential to what we need them for in our lives. They make all our food. Besides that, it's a long story. But yeah, keeping bees is...
Because when we were in England, we had a medium-sized garden. And we had a beehive there.
Yeah, we had a back garden and a front garden. It wasn't too large, but in our garden we had a beehive.
We had a beehive. We put it right down at the bottom of the garden.
Yeah, away from the house. So yeah, they produced pretty good honey.
Oh,
actually, it was...
We did very
well. A lot of honey, very surprisingly for the area we lived in. But anywhere you do live, there's going to be something that the bees are going to forage for. To get honey, well, forage on to get honey.
So basically, just to say that you can have bees anywhere you are. I mean, there's some people that have bees on top of their rooftops.
Yeah,
if
in
they live in
balconies,
apartments,
in cities, and whatever. People have got bees everywhere.
Yeah.
I would suggest if you want to keep bees, do a little bit of a basic study. You want to study to know what the basics are.
How beautiful
Hello,
she is.
princess.
She's beautiful.
And you wanna inform yourself before you actually get into it.
And
make sure you're not allergic to bee stings. And if you are, just protect yourself.
Well, we know a beekeeper and she's allergic to bees, but she does a vaccine. She has a vaccine like once every so often to help her against the bees. But yeah, if you need any info, please ask. Masi will be willing to give you some advice.
I can give you some minimal advice. Absolutely, no problem. It is a complex.
Very complex, but not difficult, world. I don't think.
Not difficult. Whoever wants to be interested in it, I'm sure they can.
If you're willing,
learn a lot.
You will learn, yeah.
Absolutely. And I would suggest to anyone.
And we've got some fantastic books. If anybody wants to start off reading some books, we can give you some.
Well, that's part of studying the basics. Yeah,
absolutely.
You need to read a lot. There's a lot of information on YouTube itself.
Yeah.
On the internet, you'll find a lot of info. There's also books on the internet, e-books you can download for free. There's a lot of them.
Okay.
A little bit of research and get it on the go.
Bob's your uncle.
I would suggest for you to get a beehive if you're really willing to. Have fun.
We're just waiting for the kids to arrive because they're spending the evening with us tonight. Well, with me, because Masi's going to work tonight. So that's going to be nice. I haven't had the kids for 2 weeks, my grandkids. I don't know if I've told you, but I have 3 grandchildren. 2 live here, and they are my eldest son's kids. Mattia, who's a boy, and Viola, who's a little girl. And then I have a lovely little boy grandson who lives in England, and his name is Matteo. Oh, I think they're here. Just going to go open up the gate for them. Here they are. Animals love the kids. Hi! Hey, look at the dogs are so excited. Hi! Hello, my baby. How are you? Where's my tia? Hi! How are you?
I'm fine. You?
Good, thanks. Okay, so we're on our way to, Viola and I were on our way shopping, and then Masi called us and he was like, you've got to go get the queen bee because the guy can only give it to us now. So we're on our way now to getting the queen bee. Okay? Stop that.
Hello, my name is Viola.
And where are we going? Dove andiamo?
In campagna. A prendere la peregina.
E in inglese come si dice ape?
Bee. Ciao.
So there you go. Viola's holding the queen with her little helpers in this little plastic container thing. I don't know if you can see them. And we're going to take them home straight away. So here we are. We're going to go home now. We're going to drop the queen off and then we're going to have to come back and do some shopping. So Viola's very brave. She's holding the queen and her little helpers.
I'm painting my boomerang.
Painting your boomerang? Who made this boomerang?
My granddad, Massimo, and I.
Oh, very well. Very good. Very well. Listen to my English. And Viola? Viola, what are you doing? You're just painting? You were holding the queen bee in the car, weren't you?
Eh?
Stavi tenendo la regina in macchina.
Yes.
E cosa mi hai chiesto? Mi hai detto non c'è il re?
Non c'è il re.
No, perché non c'è il re? Perché le femmine...
Perché le femmine vincono sempre.
Esatto. It's alright, Massey?
Yeah.
Remember that, buddy?
Yeah, okay.
So they've made lollies. Il tuo com'è, Viola?
Arancia.
Orange, fresh squeezed oranges is one. Then we've got the red oranges, which I'm gonna have.
And mine, it's this green with menthol,
Mint
mint,
and water.
and water.
Oh, interesting. Oh.
It's
Oh.
like
Wow, that looks amazing. Show me, Mattia. Wow.
delicious.
Delicious. I want that red one.
Assaggia.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yum.
Tu pompelmo ti piace, nonno, a te? Assaggia.
And Massey's got, what have you got, Massey?
Grapefruit.
Grapefruit.
Pompelmo.
Right, people, thank you very much for watching our videos. Hope you enjoy our videos. We've stayed at home most of this week.
Yeah, we have. We've had a lot of DIY.
Yeah, we've done a lot of work that we've left undone. We've still got a lot more to do. It's an ongoing project, as we said before.
Yeah.
We will take you with us along on our journey.
Yeah, and as the weather gets better, we will take you with us to the beaches and discover a whole lot of other nice places.
When we travel around and what have you, yeah, absolutely. These are the grandkids.
They know.
You want to say goodbye, Mattia?
Bye. Goodbye.
Viola, vuoi salutare?
Goodbye.
E grazie che hai guardato il video.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching our video.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. See you next week then.
Have fun this week. Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Ciao, a presto.